everyone, welcome back to Easy English Classroom. Today we are going to dive into something every GCSE language student needs to master: how to write an article. Don't worry, by the end of this video you'll have all the tools to write a standout article. So let's get started. The purpose of writing an article for the AQA GCSE English Language Paper 2 is to communicate ideas clearly and effectively to a specific audience while demonstrating a strong grasp of language techniques. This includes showcasing your ability to engage to the reader and organize information and use persuasive or informative language as appropriate to the task. Now, this is a 40-marker question. For AO5, we have 24 marks, which is communicate clearly, effectively, and imaginatively, selecting and adapting tone styles registered for different forms and purposes. Organize information and ideas using structural and grammatical features to support coherence and cohesion of the text. AO6, which is a 16 marks, use a range of vocabulary and sentence structures for clarity, purpose, and effect with accurate spelling and punctuation. First, imagine this: you're walking through your school corridor and you see a bulletin board. On it, there is a headline that grabs your attention, something like how students can save the planet in 5 steps. Would you stop to read it? Most of us would. That's the power of a strong headline. And guess what? It's the first thing you need for your article. Your headline should be engaging and give the reader a reason to keep reading. It can be a question, a bold statement, even a fun twist. For example, if the topic is school uniforms, a headline could be "School uniforms, outdated tradition or essential discipline." Next, let's talk about your opening paragraph. Picture this: you're meeting someone new and they shake your hand with zero enthusiasm. What would you feel? Of course you'll feel awkward, right? Well, your opening paragraph is the first handshake. It needs to be strong and captivating. Start with a hook, an anecdote, a surprising fact, or a thoughtful, provoking question. For example, did you know the average teenager spends over 7 hours a day online? Imagine, what could it be achieved if just one of those hours was used for something productive? Boom, your reader is intrigued. Now we move on to the main body. This is where the magic happens. Think of it as the main course of a meal. It's where you serve up all the ideas and arguments. But remember, you need the structure. Next, use paragraphs for each point and make sure to include examples, facts, and statistics to back up your points and ideas. For instance, if you're writing about the benefits of exercise, you might say studies show that just 30 minutes of exercise a day can improve concentration and mood. Clear, precise, and impactful. While you're writing, keep these tips in your mind. Let's call them the do's and don'ts of an article writing. So let's see what we have for do's and don'ts. Do write in a lively and engaging tone. Do address your audience directly with the words like you and we. Don't use overly complicated language and keep it simple, because simplicity is the key. Don't forget to proofread the spelling and grammar errors. Finally, let's wrap up with the conclusion. Think of it as the dessert of your meal: sweet, memorable, and satisfying. Summarize your main points and leave your reader with something to think about. For example, by making small changes to our daily routine, we can create healthier, happier future for ourselves and for the planet. The question is, are you ready to start? Let's recap the article that you need to do. Number 1, an engaging heading, a hook to grab your reader's attention, a structured main body with clear points and evidence, a conclusion that leaves a lasting impression. See, it's not that scary when you break things down. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to share a level 4 response in the description box below so we can analyze why this article received or achieved the top marks. Let's see what we have in this article. Number 1, convincing and compelling communication, a range of complex ideas matched to the purpose and audience, sustained crafting and ambitious vocabulary, full range of appropriate sentence formed, varied and inventive use of structural features, writing is compelling and paragraphs are fluently linked. Now it's your turn. Grab pen and paper and start practicing your article writing skills. And remember, here at Easy English Classroom, we make learning fun and easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like or subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out any lesson. Thank you for watching today. I'll see you soon.